Place under equipment to protect carpet and floors. Textured, non-slip pebble surface is easily cleaned. Size: 3 wide x 7 long. Use with most exercise equipment like stationary bikes, rowers, treadmills, inversion tables, Pilates reformers, ellipticals, rebounders, weights, cross trainers and more. Divided into 7/12 folds. 1/4 thick closed cell foam material. Weight, approximately 7 pounds. Top reviews from the United States. Sturdy and folds up out of the way perfectly. I was hesitant to purchase because of some of the reviews, but I have to say it's been 6 months of daily use and this is just what I was looking for. It's sturdy and folds up nicely when treadmill is up or down. I was very careful to just roll the treadmill straight on the mat, front to back, and not to move it side to side as some reviewers had trouble with tearing. It rolled right on with no issue and the treadmill is big and heavy. The mat protects the new carpet, which is what I was looking for. The treadmill feet made divot marks in the old carpet, so I wanted something to protect the new carpet. I found the large furniture moving discs at Home Depot and put them under the feet so that when the treadmill comes down, the feet land on the discs. Perfect. No carpet divots and no marks from the mat on the light carpet either. The folding feature makes it easy to fold out of the way. Good purchase for what I needed it for and seems durable so far.